Good morning, friends. In the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry, today we are discuss about the table. It means the values of sine 0 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 45 degree, sine 60 degree and 90 degree. That is a various sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec for everything, and it is a very important topics because whenever you study about the math, then definitely you can use these values of the trigonometric functions. Okay, so how we can find the values of the sine 0, sine 30, 45, 60 and 90? So we are discuss about it. Here the value of sine 0 degree, that is equal to 0. Sine 30 degree, that is equal to 1 by 2. Sine 45 degree, that is equal to 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degree, that is equal to under root 3 by 2. And sine 90 degree, that is equal to 1. Okay. In the case of cos, you can reverse as the cyclic order. You start from here. The value of the cos 0 degree, that is equal to 1. Then cos 30 degree, that is equal to under root 3 by 2. Then cos 45, it is the same, 1 by root 2. Then 60 degree, that is equal to 1 by 2. And then 90 degree, that is equal to 0. After that, tan theta, it means tan theta, that is equal to sine theta upon cos theta. Then you see that 0 upon 1, that is equal to 0. 1 by 2 upon under root 3 by 2. Then 2 and 2 is cancelled, so this is a 1 by root 3. Then 1 by root 2 upon 1 by root 2, that is equal to 1. Then under root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 cancel, that is a under root 3. And that is a 1 upon 0, that is equal to infinite. This is the infinity, this is the sign of infinity, it means infinite. Then cot is the opposite of tan. So you start from here, that cot 0 is equal to the value of tan 90, it is a infinite. Cot 30, this is the value of tan 60, that is a under root 3. Then 45, it is the same, that is equal to 1. Then after, that is equal to 1 by root 3 and then 0. After that, sec theta, sec, it is a reciprocal of cos. It means sec theta, here tan theta, that is equal to 1 by cot theta. And then sec theta, that is equal to 1 by cos theta. So you take the reciprocal, one reciprocal, that is 1 under root 3 by 2, it means 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2, that is a root 2. 1 by 2, that is a 2, and that is a 1 by 0, that is infinite. The value is, that is a infinite. Next, cosec theta, that is equal to cosec theta. It is also the reciprocal of sine theta, 1 upon sine theta. Then you see here, I put up, that is 1 by 0, that is a infinite here, that is equal to infinite. Then here, that is a 1 by 2, it is equal to 2. Then 1 by root 2, that is root 2. Under root 3 by 2, this is a 2 by root 3. And here is 1, so it is also equal to 1. So these are the table. Easily you can solve. How we can find the values of this table, and according to this we can solve the various questions of 10th standard and also of the any other standard. If you are studying about the mathematics, So we are going to solve the exercise number 8.2 related to this table. Okay, so first you see, and we are solve the exercise 8.2. In exercise 8.2, the question number first that here given sine 60 degree into cos 30 degree and plus sine 30 degree and cos 60 degree. Then you put up the values of sine and cos. Here I put up the values. The value of sine 60 degree, that is equal to under root 3 by 2, and cos 30 degree, it is also equal to under root 3 by 2, plus sine 30 degree, that is a 1 by 2, and cos 60 degree, it is also the 1 by 2. So under root 3 multiply under root 3, that is equal to 3. 2 2s are 4, so this is a 4 plus 1 by 2 2s are 4. So that is equal to 3 plus 1, because denominator is same. So you add the numerator, that is a 4 by 4, either that is equal to 1, and that is a answer. So the value of sine 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree and cos 60 degree, that is equal to 1. For the next question, here the next question is also given. You also find that the value here, question number 5 of first of 5, that is a 5 cos square theta, cos square 60 degree, plus 4 sec square 30 degree, minus tan square 45 degree, and divide by sine square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Okay, these values are given. Then you put up the values. So this is equal to 5 cos square 60 degree. The value of cos 60, that is a 1 by 2. So it is a square of 1 by 2, plus 4 sec square 30 degree, 4 sec square 30 degree. This is equal to 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3, because the sec 30 degree is equal to 2 by root 3 square, minus tan square 45. The tan 45, that is a value is 1 upon sine square 30 degree, it is equal to 1 by sine 30 means 1 by 2 of whole square, plus cos 30, it means under root 3 by 2 of whole square. Okay, then you solve, that is a 5 into 1 square 1, 2 square 4, plus 4 into 4 by 3 square of 2 by root 3 minus 1, and divided by 1 by 4 and plus 3 by 4. You take the LCM. The LCM is here, that is equal to 4 3s are 12. So LCM is 12. Here I take the LCM. So 4 3s are 12, 3 5s are 15, plus here 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, minus LCM is 12, divide by 12. Here you take 1 plus 3 and divide by 4. Then 4 3s are 12, right? Then you see here, that is equal to 15, 5 plus 6, 5 plus 4, it is 9, 6 plus 1, that is a 7, minus 12 upon 3 into 4, 3 into 4, because This is the 3, multiply here 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4. Then you subtract 12 into the 79. 79 minus 12, it means 9 minus 2, it is a 7. 7 minus 1, that is a 6. 67 upon 12. So the answer is that 67 upon 12. Okay. So if you are put up all the values of different trigonometric angles, then you can find the solution of the equations. Okay. I think all of you understand. So we are solve the next question. In the next question, question number 2. In question number 2, some questions are also given and we solve that questions. Question number 2. In question number 2, choose the correct option and justify your choice. Here you choose. First is a 2, 10, 30 degree divide by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Option number A, sin 60. Option number B, cos 60. Option number C, tan 60. Option number D, sin 30. Which value is that? Then you see that question is that 2 tan 30 degree upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Here you see 2 tan 30 degree, the value of tan 30 degree, this is equal to 1 by root 3. Divide by 1 plus same here, also the value of tan 30 degree, this is the 1 by root 3 of whole square, that is equal to 2 into 1 by root 3. Divide by 1 plus 1 by 3. You take the LCM, then 2 by root 3. And here 3 ones are 3 plus 1 by 3. Root 3 is cancelled by 3 by root 3 times. Then this is equal to root 3 multiply 2, that is a 2 root 3, and divide by 3 plus 1, that is a 4. 2 2s are 4, that is a under root 3 by 2. Okay. Means under root 3 by 2. Here you see the option under root 3 by 2, this is the value of sin 60 degree and either cos 30 degree. Then you see the option, here is a cos 60 degree, not 30, so this is the value of sin 60 degree, so that is equal to sin 60 degree. So option number A, that is the right. Okay, all of you understand? Next question. Then question number 2nd or 4th. No, we solve 2nd or 3rd because 4th is the same as like this. Sin 2a, that is equal to 2 sin a. So true for 30 degree. True for 30 degree. Here A is 0 degree, B is 30 degree, C is 45 degree, and D is 60 degree. Here you see that sin 2a, that is equal to 2 sin a. The value of sin a, here 2 sin a is given, here you apply if the formula, then here is equal to sin 2a. that is equal to 2 sine A. Okay, if you take any angles, then you find that here you take 30 degree, so it is converted into the 60 degree. Tan 60 degree, the value is under root 3 by 2, and 30 degree it is a 1 by 2, it can't possible. You put up 45 degree, 1 by root 2, it is a 90 degree, 1 by root 2, it is also not equal. And if you put up 60 degree, so 60 degree it is a 120 degree, so that is equal to here 2 sine A, that is not equal to, it is follow the condition only at the situation 0 degree, because sine 2 multiply with the 0, that is equal to 0, and A here is also 0, so sine 0 that is equal to 0. So the answer is, if I put up 2 sine 2 into 0 degree is equal to 2 sine 0 degree. Here sine 0 degree, that is equal to sine 0 degree, then that is equal to 0, and it is a 2 into 0, that is also equal to 0 equal to 0. Then you can say that sine 2A is equal to 2 sine A in only that situation if that angle is a 0 degree of the above questions. Okay, next, next question, question number 3rd. Here the question number 3rd is given that tan A plus B, that is equal to root 3, and tan A minus B, that is equal to 1 by root 3. Condition is that 0 degree is less than A plus B and is less than or equal to 90 degree, and second condition is that A is greater than B. Then find the value of A and B. Here you take from here tan A plus B, that is equal to under root 3. Then you see in which degree of tan, that is equal to 3. So the tan 60, that is equal to under root 3. So tan A plus B, that is equal to tan 60 degree. You remove both sides of the tan, so A plus B, that is equal to 60 degree. It is the equation number 1st. Second, here tan A minus B, that is equal to 1 by root 3. Then you see which degree of the tan, that is equal to 1 by root 3. Then tan 30, this is equal to, then here tan A minus B, that is equal to tan 30 degree. So A minus B, that is equal to 30, and equation number 2nd. Here are the two equations. So you take equation number 1 and 2 from equation 1 and 2. If you are taking the equation 1 and 2, then that is equal to A plus B, that is a 60 degree, and A minus B, that is equal to 30 degree. B cancel to each other, then 2A, that is equal to 60 plus 30, it is a 90. So A is equal to 45, because 45 to the 90. So A is equal to 45 degree from equation 1st. A plus B, that is equal to 60, then 45 plus B, that is 60. So therefore B is equal to 60 minus 45. Therefore B is equal to 15 degree. How many degree? 15 degree. Okay. So here the values A and B. A is equal to 45 degree and B is equal to 15 degree, and that is the answer. Okay. So you can find the values of a and b, and this value is also satisfied the condition a plus b is a greater than 0 and less than 90, and the value of a is a greater than 0, a is a 45 degree and b is a 15 degree. Next, some questions are also for the true and false. Then how we can find that this is the true or false? Here, state whether the following statement true or false and justify your answer. Fourth, question number first, sin a plus b that is equal to sin a plus sin b. Here the formula that sin a plus b that is equal to sin a plus sin b, but it can't possible because the formula is the sin a plus b that is equal to sin a into cos b and plus cos a into sin b. Okay, so here is only given that sin a plus sin b, it can't possible, so that is a equations, so it is a false because sin a plus b that is equal to sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b, but here is given that sin a plus b, so it is a false because sin a plus b that is equal to that. Okay, next question, the question number 4. The question number 4 is that sin theta is equal to cos theta for all values of the theta. Here sin theta upon cos theta that is equal to 1. Sin theta upon cos theta that is equal to tan theta, that is a1. The tan theta that is equal to 45 degree. Tan theta that is equal to tan 45 degrees. So here the condition sin theta is equal to cos theta only the values if that is equal to 45 degree. If theta is a 45 degree, at that situations only sin theta that is equal to cos theta, other situation it can't possible, so that statement is also false. I think all of you understand, and according to these questions you can solve all other questions. Okay, thank you, goodbye.